welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will be doing a hair review. You guys know when I start off like this, either with a bonnet or a wig cap on, you guys know what time it is. So I am reviewing Aligrace. This is the company. Of course everything will be listed down below, so of course don't forget to check that out. This is the unit right out of the packaging. I have not done anything to it yet, so this will be my honest review and my honest thoughts on the hair, okay? To start the video off, I am wearing their bonnet that they sent to me. Thank you so much for this bonnet. It's super roomy and I love the texture of it. It's great for the shower, sleeping, it's comfortable, it's stretchy. So yeah, you can tighten it how tight you want it or how loose you want it to be. So that's the luxury of this bonnet. Right out of this packaging, the hair looks silky soft. Like, look at that. That's beautiful. Okay, that's really nice. This is a 4x4 lace, so this is going to be very easy to install and quick. Okay, I love a quick install. You have two combs on the side of this unit. You have a comb in the back, and you do have your adjustable straps to tighten it. I suggest using these all the time. I use them. The lace look like it's slightly pre-plucked, but not exactly how I would want it to be. The knots aren't bleached. I am going to bleach them in the future, but I am going to show you guys how I'm going to make this look natural as possible because it's not bleached, okay? So I will be plucking in the video a little bit, and I'm going to show you guys how I'm going to make this look natural because the knots aren't bleached. I'm using my Ebon glue right here. Now I don't have to put glue all across my hairline because this is not one of those laces. It's like a lace closure almost. So it's 4x4, so I'm only gonna put the glue like right here to here. That's enough. Yeah, this is what it looks like. Okay, and yeah, we're gonna make this look natural as possible. So yeah, about here to here as far as the lace, as far as the adhesive glue that I'm going to use. Okay, so I'm just using my beauty sponge, and I'm just putting that foundation all throughout. Okay, so as you guys can see, it's changing the color of the lace because the lace is a little white, so you want to make sure that, you know, this is going to be blended very well. And that for that. So there we go. Looks good, like my skin. And then I'm going to put a little bit on my wig cap right here in the front area. Okay guys, so this is what the lace look like so far. I'm gonna go ahead and start to pluck this lace, okay, because it's not where I would want it to be and what I want it to look like. So we need to pluck this. That's the only way this is gonna turn out the right way. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and pluck, and you guys can watch me while I go through this. You guys, I hate plucking. Like, I hate it with a passion. If I can get away with plucking, that will make my day. But I have to pluck. So, I'm gonna go ahead and use my hot comb and my tweezers. So it's a lot of plucking that I have to do, so I'm gonna go ahead and pluck the part, my part. I hate plucking, and I'm doing this off camera because, I mean, it's plucking. You guys don't have to see that. I'm going to flat iron it, and I'm gonna like make some like cute curls. I don't know how to explain it, but you see how it's kind of like naturally already flipped at the ends. I'm gonna like pretty much kind of like make my own like flips going at the end. I'm gonna show you guys how I'm gonna basically style it, but the hair is very soft. I just use like a little bit of my glosser. This helps with shine, and yeah. So I just realized I was not recording. I was definitely flat ironing this hair, and I was letting you guys know I was done with doing the layers. You guys can see it a little bit. Now I'm just going in and I'm flat ironing the hair, and I'm kind of like bumping the ends. Okay, so I'm pretty much done with the hair, y'all. I love it. I love it. It's so soft, y'all. Like, so freaking soft. And I just love the layers. I love the layers that I put in here. It's definitely giving what it needs to give, okay? This is the final results. Let me know what you baby dolls think about this hair. It's so pretty. And it's giving like I just left the hair salon and got my own hair like blow dried and straightened. You know how you get the beauticians pretty much cut your ends and like give you layers to your hair. Like, that's what it's giving. I love it so much. It was very quick and easy to install, so you don't have to worry about the crazy long hard installations. Like, this was quick. Let me know what you baby dolls think. Definitely some on the go hair, and this will be like my go-to wig that I just put on to go, because baby, don't nobody got time. Okay, I love you baby dolls so much, and I'll see you baby dolls in my next video. Mwah.